Hey there, fellow vegans. It's Paul from Vegans Live. Today I made a little breakfast scramble, a little tofu scramble, and I've kicked it up a little bit by adding some dates to it. If you've never cooked with dates, they're great. You got a bunch of natural sugar in them, and they're full of nutrition. So let's go ahead and check it out. Got this package over at Trader Joe's. 1 pound. I think it was about $4 or $5. Not bad. That's what it's looking like. Oh yeah. All right, to finish this off, gonna give it a little bit of my favorite sauce, ketchup. Throw on a little pinch of hemp seeds, a little bit of pepper, some sriracha, and that's it. So the sweetness from the dates, the spiciness from the sriracha, and all the other goodness, the potato, the zucchini, the mushrooms, it all comes together great. Let's roll it up. All right, folks. This is what it looks like. Super awesome. I made 2 burritos out of this recipe, and I gave half to my daughter. She is in college, and I just asked her how it was, and she said it was mega. So I guess that means it's great. Woo! Here we go. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna pig out right now. Oh yeah. That is so good. So, rock on. I'll put the recipe down below. You guys can make it your own, spice it up any way you like. Vegan superpowers, unite. Let's rock. Later.
Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and come back for more recipes for some vegan food that actually tastes good. Thank you.